So this is Akiiwan Relaxing Survival. It's a chill survival crafting game. So you're not getting attacked. You're just figuring out what it really means to live off the land. And it's all based on Canadian landscapes. The really fun thing about it is that you have a talking campfire. So there's a minor roguelike element. You explore during the day, and then when you go back to camp, you get to ask your fire 3 questions. And those questions determine what skills you learn and the story as it progresses from fall to winter to spring. We're a 3-person core team with 3 other part-time people as well. We are using Unity. We actually have a free demo on Steam right now, so you can actually play the game. And please wishlist it, follow it. We'll be releasing new demos throughout the entire year, and then we'll be launching in summer of 2027.